Well, time to eat my lunch. Oh, I just love these Burger Happy Meals. Look at the cute little burger in front. Isn't that funny? Oh, nice. Look at those outfits. Let's open it up. There's a little piñata with a rainbow. Oh, I was just there. Oh, that's cool. Nice little treasure chest there. Okay, now let's see what's inside the Happy Meal. Got my miniature chug jug here. I'm just gonna drink that right now. Ah, much better. Let's see what else there is. An apple, yes! Oh, awesome. Here's my Burger French fries. I'll just put those right there. And here's my Burger hamburger. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff right there. Oh, I'm so hungry, I can't wait to eat. Let's open it up. There we go. That is a beautiful hamburger. That's a work of art, my friend. And of course, every Burger Happy Meal has a prize. Yes, a piñata! Let's open this up. Wow, cool action figure.
Now it's time to eat.
Hey guys, now I'm going to show you how I made my Burger Happy Meal. I started with a regular Happy Meal box. This one just happens to be The Incredibles because it's the latest one. I printed out some pictures I found online and I photoshopped them so that they could fit the box. Then I cut them out and glued them on. And here it is. For the French fries, I just used a plain French fry packet and I glued on a Burger picture. For the hamburger wrapper, I used a plain piece of white sandwich paper and glued on a Burger picture. And before we decorate the hamburger, can you guess which hamburger from McDonald's this is? Leave a comment in the comments down below to tell me which McDonald's hamburger you think this is. Now you could just wrap it just like this and it'll look really cute in the Burger packaging. Or you can actually make it look like a Burger like this. I cut out a piece of bologna to make the tongue. And I used cocktail onions and black olives for the eyes. I put them on toothpicks and placed them inside the burger. And I added a green olive on top. I transferred French fries into the Burger package. This is a custom Fortnite squishy I made, and when the link is available, it'll go right here. And this is a custom Fortnite action figure I made, and the link will be here when it's available. The blue Chug Jug is actually a Hugs fruit drink. And that's it! That's how I made my Durburger Happy Meal.
Today we are going to do 2 projects. So in this video, you get 2 projects for the price of 1. That's right. So the first thing we're going to do is make a Slappy jointed paper doll. This is going to be so much fun. So I've got a Slappy doll here. First thing I'm going to do is cut him out. I have one leg here. You'll notice that I cut it out at the hip.
Now, if I cut out this leg, it's going to look kind of awkward because it's at a weird angle, but luckily I printed out the second page, which is a mirror image of the first one, and we're going to cut out that leg so that we have 2 that look like they're pointing straight ahead.
Now I'll cut out this arm. And I'll also cut out this arm. We'll cut out his head. And we need a brand new one for the body. Now to connect all of these beautiful pieces, we're going to use brads. These little things right here are called brads, and yes, that is the name of a human being, but it's also the name of these little things. I'm sure you guys have seen them before. They're used a lot in art class and stuff, and they open up and they can join 2 pieces together. We'll join the head right here. Now his head can move from side to side. We'll add his arms. And we'll add his legs. And now you have a movable and posable Slappy. Okay, let's move on to our next project. We're gonna give Slappy some creepy movable eyes. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut this. And now we're going to cut out his eye part. Like that. Pretty scary like that, isn't it? Ooh, it looks like his eyes are turning red when I do that. That's kind of cool. Now we'll take another printout and cut out just his eyes. Like that. We're going to place the eyes right about here. Make sure they're lined up. And we're going to take a scrap piece of paper and put it right here and tape it down. Now we can move this back and forth, and it looks like his eyes are moving. That is just a little bit creepy. I really like it. That looks so cool. Okay guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.